Come and join me as I host for a Pride event at SM City Fairview.
Bibigyan mo rin ba ako ng mic?
Oh my
Idol ko
God.
to.
Talaga ba? Alam niya, bumaba ko ng mic.
So, bibigyan ako ng mic. May mic ako sarili na sa kanya. See you. Nakakaloka, may chika ko sa'yo.
Sige naman, may crush ka naman. See you later.
Briefing time.
Stay with us as the Pride Party will start in a few minutes. Thank you so much.
Can I get an amen up in here? Mahina ba? Can I get an amen up in here? Happy Pride, everyone. Of course, we are ready to slay and celebrate and serve some Pride realness today. My name is Carl Zoyan and I'll be your host for today's event. Sino na dito pumunta para kay Ovi? Sino pumunta dito para kay Felicia? Wala pa. Tapusin muna natin yung question. Mga OA, my gosh. OA, nakakaloka. This queen is known as the enigmatic provocateur. Wait lang! The answer is... Ovi, congratulations, mother. Thank you so much. Followed by a chronic reading, it's Felicia D. Mga mali, let's give it up for Felicia! She's gorgeous. The enigmatic provocateur from Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Let's give it up for Ovi! Grabe, ilang death trap yun, girl. Okay ba yung likod mo? Grabe naman, Diyos ko. Buo pa naman.
Dahil sa red mong, sa red mong mic, kaya boss.
Red mic, of course, syempre. Sabi ko na rin gumagawa rin kasi ng customized mic. Color UVA.
Masabog yun.
Yes. Kamusta ang pagiging anak ni Brigiding? Kamusta the experience? Kamusta mag-alaga si Brigiding? Kasi sabi daw nila magaling daw mag-alaga si Brigiding dahil malaki ang pagmamahal daw ni Brigiding.
Kitang-kita niyo naman ako ang pinakamagandang anak ni Brigiding. Tama?
Alright, once again, let's give it up for Felicia Ding, everyone! And later on, may babalikan muna pa for our picture taking mamaya later on. Thank you so much, Let's give it up for Felicia Ding, everybody! The enigmatic provocateur from Drag Race Philippines Season 2, Ovi!
I've left you all behind.
Lucy, you wanna give me a beat?
Ang Pride event na hindi political ay isang dula-dulaan lamang at kalokohan. Kaya magmahalan tayo. Happy Pride, everybody!
Once again, congratulations and let's give it up for Ovi and Felicia Ding! And just like that, ang gabi ng saya, ganda at pagmamahalan ay officially nagtatapos na. Sa lahat ng allies, members of LGBTQIA+ community, at sa bawat nag-iisa nandito tonight, it wasn't just about a show. It was about showing up for love, for art, and for each and every one of us. Be kind, be proud, and be loud. Maraming salamat SM City Fairview for allowing us here to celebrate. This has been your host, Carl Zarate, and we'd like to say Happy Pride!